Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this velvet white pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to attach one of this sunflower which has like shiny surface in the center. I'm attaching two of the fall leaves, and one is like bright one and one is like a little brown one. So that's all it needs, and it looks so gorgeous. And if you want to have something glam and decorative, this could be one of it, and I'm very happy about the end result. So yeah, what do you think? DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this wooden pumpkin container crate. So I'm going to decorate this as like one of the wagon. For this, I'm going to use some of this diffuser bottle caps, and I'm going to use those as wheels, and I'm also going to use some of the plastic part of the top part of the bottle, and that would be like handles, something to hold and pull. And for the handle, I'm also going to create one of the skewer, and I painted all of them black. I'm taking one of the toothpick and I'm just placing carefully across to create the spokes of the wheel, and I'm going to stick with the hot glue as like a plus sign, and I'm also going to paint this all together with black paint. And this is how they look after they are painted. Isn't that cute? They look like wheel to me though. Using a tad bit of a hot glue, I'm going to stick all these 4 wheels, spokes facing outside, just like so. And I'm also going to attach the handle with those circle thing to hold and pull the wagon on the other side with a dab of a hot glue, just like so. If you have observed, I've also painted black to the borders of the pumpkin, and in the where the the circular part of the pumpkin, those are painted black to give like a nice bright color to it. Now I'm filling all the fall florals and sunflower and some pumpkins and some pumpkin pigs, and I also created a nice bow with this beautiful ribbon, fall themed ribbon, in on top of the wagon. And this is the final reveal. I think the camera is not doing a good job of showing everything here, and I'm going to show the final reveal in a second. On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to repurpose one of this hollow container that came in one of the packaging, and I wanted to use this as a vase. So painted the peachy orange color, and I mixed with the yellow paint to get this nice pumpkin color tone. And I'm also going to decorate this with some florals. Before that, I just want to stuff with some styrofoam, and the base of the this hollow thing, I just stuck one of the empty spool of the ribbon to give. I took one of the jute ribbon which had like white polka dots on it, and I just stuck around the vase, and I also stuck one of the fall leaf with lot of sunflowers in it, and I also want to give like some leaves to it, so I just stuck leaves wherever the gaps are shown to give like a nice fuller look, and this turned out so pretty, and this is something that you can throw out. I converted this into a beautiful fall sunflower themed vase, and I'm very happy with the end result, you guys. So you have to let me know what your thoughts are. On to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this wooden car from Dollar Tree, actually truck. So I'm going to convert this into a truck. I painted this truck with red paint, which is apple red, and I also stuck 2 of the sunflowers for the wheels part. Now I'm taking some of this raffia and I'm trying to stick onto the truck, and I stuck flowers and pumpkins and one of the cute sunflower bow, and this is how it looks after all the decorations have been done. This is a sunflower truck with lot of fall themed stuff in it and pumpkins in it, so it's so gorgeous and it's calling for fall. So I'm so happy how this cute truck turned out, and this could be a cute mini for your tier tray. So yeah, this is one of it. So you have to let me know what your thoughts are. On to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm going to repurpose one of this tofu container and one of this applesauce container, and using these 2 together, I'm going to create a cute razor that holds, or a planter you can say. And I'm also using this peachy orange paint with a mix of yellow, and I'm going to mix those paint together, and I'm going to paint these 2 and let it dry. After it's dried, this is how it looks. Now I'm sticking these 2 together with a dab of a hot glue, and I stuffed some of the plastic bags and lot of fall greenery and fall pumpkins and leaves and flowers and pine cones. So this is another decor I'm very happy with. So let me know your thoughts. On to DIY number 6. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this dimensional cute candle holder. I'm going to convert this into a pumpkin. For this, I'm going to stick some of this daisy. It kind of looks like sunflower to me, and I stuck one of them in one corner, and pine cone and some green leaves, and also one of the fall leaf to finish the look. And that's all it needs. It looks so gorgeous just like that. So I'm so happy how this turned out. So yeah, what your thoughts are, you have to let me know. On to DIY number 7. For this DIY, I'm going to decorate this maple leaf tray, and I'm going to stick one of this pick that I got from Dollar Tree, which has like a cotton floral and some brown floral and pine cone. So I just spread it out like 5 of them, like a 5 spokes, and I'm sticking that carefully with the dab of a hot glue all around the back of the tray. And I also stuck 2 of the pine cones in the center and one of the daisy, which kind of looks like sunflower to me, on the top of those pine cones. And that's all it needs, and this is so gorgeous, and I'm so happy how this cute decoration piece turned out. So yeah, you have to let me know your thoughts as well. On to DIY number 8. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this home sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the back part, and I wanted to use the brown shade of it. So I'm also taking one of this burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm carefully sticking on top of the home just like that, like a decoration piece. And I'm also going to stick one of the leaf, and I'm going to make it simple, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to overdo it, and this looks so gorgeous. Now I'm going to show it how I'm going to decorate it on top of one of the sign. I just used the back part of it with some pumpkins, some flowers, and tiny bow on the top, and acorn as well. Yes, and there's a bow here, and yeah, this is one of it, and I'm so happy how the simplicity of this home turned out. So you have to let me know your thoughts as well. On to DIY number 9. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this crate that I actually lightly spray painted with light gold paint. Now I'm going to decorate this with burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree and some florals, and I'm going to make it like a card. For this, I also got like wooden pieces from Dollar Tree, just like so. And I'm also going to use one of this chalkboard tag from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to write with this chalk paint. I'm going to write like pumpkins 25 cents, and I'm sticking that on top of this burlap ribbon with the dab of a hot glue, and this looks gorgeous already. And I stuffed some of the haystack in the base of it, and some pumpkins, some florals, and fall leaves, and this turned out so gorgeous. It looks like a crate where farmhouse filled with a lot of pumpkins. On to DIY number 10. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this candle from Dollar Tree and also this burlap ribbon, and I'm going to stick that around this candle with a tiny bit of a hot glue, and I'm going to stick one of this fall leaf where the glue line goes, and that will give like a nice fall candle look over there. So this is one of the beautiful and simple decor. I stuck one of the cute candle. Now I'm going to light this candle up and show how beautiful this simple and easy fall decor turned out. So yeah, this is one of it, and I'm so happy how this turned out. So you have to let me know your thoughts as well. So these are some of the few fall decor DIYs that I want to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you would like something like this and you want to join the family, please hit on the subscribe button and join the family. And if you're already a member, I'm very grateful and thankful. Thank you so much for being with me all along. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.